When faith is not in your life, you are literally giving authority to Satan over your life. I repeat, when faith is not in your life, you, with that act of unbelief, give Satan authority over your life. Therefore, faith is what releases my authority.
Now, if your faith lacks proofs, it's fake. Because faith is the evidence of things hoped for. So if it lacks evidence, then it's not genuine. It's not the right kind of faith. Then it's theoretical. It has no root. And if it has no root, it cannot bear fruit. So it's so important for us to understand tonight that we're looking at faith from biblical perspective. The faith that changes men who will change their world.
The word moves you to pray, but you have to move yourself into the word. So it's like this. I move myself into the word. The word moves me into prayer, and prayer moves me into worship.
Listen to me. If you will listen tonight with your spirit, you see, it is only in your spirit that the word of God can become fruitful, not in your head. We need to open our heart to get it. Because that's where it is. Because when you are challenged, it is what is in your spirit that responds. No, what is in your head cannot stand the storms. When the storms rise, what is in your head will fly out. But what is in your spirit will speak out and put you where you belong.
Jesus was born in my spirit, but now Jesus is, watch this. After that, he was formed in my soul. And once he's formed in my soul, he begins to operate in my body.
To be pressed down, to be stagnated, to be buffeted and afflicted. This is not God's plan. We are far beyond that. Whatever could not hold Jesus is not supposed to hold you down. Now listen to me. I mean, that means something is turning inside someone right now. Something is turning inside someone right now, and don't let it go. I want to get you angry enough to secure a change. You must get angry enough to secure a change. We are living far below his expectations. Far below his expectations.
And then one night, in desperation, I stood in the place that is opposite one of the banks now. Late in the night, I lifted my eyes to heaven and I said to God, either you empower me or you call me home. Because I can't do this work. I don't want to do your work as an ordinary pastor. I don't want to. So if you're not going to give me the power to do this work, let me come home and rest. That night he heard. That night he answered. And suddenly the ground shook. And those of you who are old enough, you will remember that they felt an earthquake all the way in Oyedepo. Pictures hung on the wall were falling down. They didn't know where it started from. They didn't know somebody was praying on the camp. And the ground shook. When I woke up the following morning, and I went to go and see the place, I could see the crack on the ground all the way. Now, why am I telling you all this? Because if God could do it for me, He can do it for you.